We started out with a small idea to create the world's first interactive radio drama. If you can imagine you're listening to an audiobook or you're listening to a radio play, but the difference is you're a character. You use your voice to path one way or the other by saying this or that. That's what an earplay is.
You've only got time for one question. Do you ask, what is this? Who are you? Or why me?
What is this?
It's dangerous.
We were mobile first to begin with. What happened is I got an Alexa. I remember, I told my team, okay, I think we're going to make a pivot here. I think we're going to focus on Alexa. It took us just a weekend to take what we've been creating for a while, our content, and make it live and available on an Alexa device. There was an interesting magic that occurred when you could be hands-free and eyes-free and just move around in the room and hear a story and be a part of it. And from that moment, we knew we had to shift over and become voice first and not just mobile first. As a result of the shift to voice, we've reached a much, much broader audience than we ever thought was possible. That is a much bigger future than anything that I had originally expected.